In this video, we're going to unbox and assemble this Yolin dual battery e-bike that I sourced from Alibaba. Now this is the same assembly procedure for the dual battery and the triple battery. So let's get into this box. Alright, got the box open. You can see here you want to start removing some of the foam. There's the seat and the cargo rack. These are the accessories and the front fender, and there you can see the front tire. I removed the little box, and inside here are the pedals, the manual for assembling the bike, the tool that you can use to help you assemble the bike, the phone holder, the mount for the phone holder. Alright, the bike is out of the box. Now we're going to remove the front tire and all the wrappings and assemble the handlebars. The keys are located on the handlebars, and what you're going to do is remove those and then remove the batteries from the frame and get those charging. Alright, you're going to remove that front cap with these screws, and then you're going to install the handlebars and reassemble that cap to secure the handlebars. And now I'm going to install the screen on here like this. I'm going to undo those screws and then secure it to the handlebars like this. Alright, you're going to lift up the bike and extend the shock and put it in the clevis. Alright, back shock is secured. Now the front tire, we put the front tire on. The axle bolt slides through. You're going to remove this clip from the brake. Make sure the rotor slides in. Put the axle through. Remove the shipping axle. And then install the front tire. Got the bike assembled. Got one battery installed. And it's charging. You can see here, this is how the shock will look once it's installed. You're going to lift the bike up and then put the lower clevis on. The headlight is installed, rubber washer here, the handlebars, and the screen. This is the ignition key, and then it comes with this remote. Alright, you can see how the front fender, this bike was equipped with these extra lights for night riding. And you can see how that got mounted on there. Put the front tire on, the axle bolt slides through. You're going to remove this clip from the brake. Make sure the rotor slides in, put the axle through. The axle just simply slides through with a spring on each side. Tighten it down, and then you're going to latch over the lever like this. Sorry this assembly video was rushed, as we were eager to get the bike assembled so we could get riding it. So I hope that you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.